Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set alphanumeric password for phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to settings of your phone here. Then go to lock screen. Go to lock screen. Then click on screen lock type. As of now, no security is available for my phone, so I would like to freshly set alphanumeric password. So click on password and type the password here. At least one letter should be used. Your password must contain at least 4 characters, so combination of letters and numbers you should use. Okay, here I would like to use my password as Mickey 20. See here, this is my alphanumeric password and click on continue. Again type the same password to verify, Mickey 20, and click on OK. And now click on done, and it is asking for to turn on remote unlock. If you don't want, just click on cancel and go to home screen and lock your screen. Now try to unlock your phone. It will ask your current password, that is alphanumeric password. Type the alphanumeric password to enter into your phone. So I have to type my password Mickey 20 and click on done, and yes, it is unlocked. So in this way I have set alphanumeric password in my phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. You can also do like this. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.